Hello. In this video I will be talking about how to start with My Skill Chart and how to integrate with Amilia. So to begin with, I'll go to My Skill Chart website. I'm already in there. Click login at the top right. Then I'll go to the new user interface by clicking this blue link. It will take me to the login page where I would be logging to one of the Amilia accounts. I would be using Calgary Gymnastics Center for integration, for our integration purpose, for our integration test purpose. I'll go to proceed. Okay. Select the company name, Calgary Gymnastics Center. Input the password and hit sign in. Alright, I'm logged in under Calgary Gymnastics My Skill Chart account. So once we sign up Amilia users with My Skill Chart, the first step they need to do is to create their curriculum, their skill chart program. So they can do it by going to this skill charts page. And as you can see, Calgary Gymnastics have created their few set of programs. Can Gym Girls, Can Gym Boys, and all other programs they have created. And under these programs they have created the level, Can Gym G Badge 1, Can Gym G Badge 2, and when you click on skills, you can see that under this level they have few set of events and skills. So each level have their set of events and skills. Okay, so this is the first step they need to do, that they need to create their skill charts. And for the rest of the tabs they don't need to worry about, because when we integrate with Amilia, these tabs will automatically be populated with all their information that they have in Amilia. So this will be taken care by our staff. Okay, now the next step. The next step is to create the tags. So to create a tag, I'm right now logged in under Amilia account for Calgary Gymnastics. I'll go to account. Okay. Okay, let's do it one more time. We'll go to account. Go to tags, and then I'll click on create a tag. So to create a tag, we need to make sure on two things, that we would be using exact program name and the level name that we have created for a program, and we need to separate the program name and the level name with a colon. So I'll show you an example. So let's say I am alright. Before that, I'll let you know one thing. This the account that I'm logged in under right now is the production server account for Calgary Gymnastics. So we cannot just test our integration on this account. So for that, we would be working on development on their development server account. So what I have done, I have created the same program, the similar program that they have under their actual account, their production account. So I would be using these two programs. So what I will do, I'll copy the program name, paste it under the name of the tag, put a colon, and then use a level. So let's say if I have to create the level for Can Gym Badge 1, I'll paste the level name. Now it's totally up to the admin whether they want to make this tag visible to their clients. But right now I'm opting out this feature. Hit save. So as soon as we hit save, we can see that the tag has been created. I can create two more tags really quick. I'll create one more tag for the same program. Okay, let's do it for Can Gym Badge 3 level. Save, and I'll do the last one for Can Gym. Create a tag. So all they need to make sure that they should separate the program name and the level name with a colon. Alright, so again, not visible to clients, and hit save. And now you can see all the three tags have been created under their tags list. After this, what they need to do, they need to go to the activities and need to assign these activities to the tags. So let's go to the activities. I'll look for the program to which the tags needs to be assigned to. So I'll be going with North Summer Evening Program. go to edit page. I'll look for the activities to which I need to assign these tags to. So let's try for CanGym badge 1. There is no tag. I'll assign CanGym badge 1 tag to this activity. Yep. Okay, hit save. And let's take another case, CanGym badge 3, 4, and to this activity I'll assign another tag. Let's say CanGym badges 1 to 4, CanGym badge 3, and also I would assign one more tag to it, because we can assign multiple tags to an activity. So let's do it. Here you go. As you can see, this activity has two tags, CanGym badge 3 and CanGym level 1, and the above activity has only one tag. So we will be testing it for both the cases. Okay, now once they are done creating their tags and assigning these tags to the activities, now they need to go to the integration process. So to begin with integration process, they need to go to my skill chart website. Click on integration tab. Click on integrate now. So once they click integrate now, it will open up a form for them in which they need to fill in their company details. The company details include their full name, organization name, example, phone number, their password, and it also includes for which management software are you trying to integrate with. So let's say Amilia. Now once they hit Amilia, it will show up some set of information that they need to add us as administrator in their Amilia account. So they need to follow these steps, and this is really important, because once they assign us as an administrator to their Amilia account, we would be having access to their programs, and in that way we would be able to integrate with their programs. So they can use these pictures to add us as level 2 manager, or you can say as administrator. Okay, the next section is class management software account. So this section they can skip it, because this section is for our other class management software users. They can go to universal instructor account. Now the universal instructor account, it's again up to admin or owner whether they want to have a universal instructor account for their staff, for their instructors, or whether they want to have individual logins. So for universal instructor account, they can use one specific login and password, and for individual they have different logins as per their accounts. So let's say if they want to have a universal instructor account, they can click yes. If they don't have one already, they can click no. They can enter the name of the universal instructor they want to choose, and they need to enter a valid email address. So let's say staff@cal.com, something like this. Or if they don't want to have universal instructor account, they can simply hit no. I want each instructor to have their own login. So hit no. Alright, let's move on to the next section. Now the next section is whether they want their families to have access to their portal immediately after integration. So if they hit yes, we will be giving access to their families immediately. If they hit no, we'll wait for their response until they're ready. Now the last section is listing out the classes program they wish to integrate with Amilia. So let's say if we are integrating North Summer Evening Program, so I'll just write down the name of the program. If I am just integrating this program, I'll just write the name of this program, or if we are integrating multiple program, we can just write down the name. So for West, we can write for West Summer Evening Program. So like they can enter as many classes and programs name in this list. Okay, and then they can hit submit. So as soon as they submit, we will receive this form with all their details, and we can then begin with their integration process. So let's test their integration process on the development server. Alright, so right now I'm logged in under their development server. I'll click on these three dots, go to settings, go to import. So as I go to import, I can see that Calgary Gymnastics Center is listed under this account. Now what I would do, I'll look for the program they have submitted the integration for. So I would rather search for the program name. So Summer Evening Program. Let's go down, let's see where it is. Here you go. Okay, so I have selected the company name, I have selected the program name, and after that, if I want to change it, I can change it using using this change icon if I want to change the program name. But not if I'm ready to integrate for this particular program, I can simply hit import, and I'll wait for this import to be done. As soon as this import is done, we will get a detailed report about this integration, that how many program, how many levels, classes have been integrated. Okay, just to test if everything has been integrated successfully, correctly, I'll go to classes tab, and now I'll look for all the activities to which I have attached the tags to. So I have attached the tags to 2 activities in Amilia, and now I'll look for those activities in my skill chart. So one activity must be this, another activity must be this. So let's confirm it. Kanjin badge 1-2, Kanjin badge 3-4, Tuesday, Thursday 5:15. Alright, let's see. Tuesday. Okay, for some reason I think the time has been changed. Probably software is reading the time in GMT, so it could be a reason that the time has been changed, but I'll reach out to my team just to check if it is correct. Okay, so as you can see that this class has been assigned to program Kanjin badge 1-4, Kanjin badge 1, and this class has been assigned to 2 program, Kanjin badge 1-4, and another level Kanjin badge 3, and another program is Kanjin level 1. So that means the integration is successful. Okay, one more thing I would like to add to your knowledge, that currently all the activities that a program have under Amilia get imported whether they have a tag or not. So as you can see, all the activities that were under that program, North Summer Evening program, have been integrated. But that's not correct. I think that's not correct, because we have this requirement from Calgary Gymnastics that they don't want to integrate all the activities within a program. They want to select few of them. So in this sprint, we are working on this integration request further. So only the activities which have the skill chart, only the activities which have the tags in it in Amilia will be getting imported. All the activities will not be imported. So for example, if these 2 activities have the tags, only these 2 activities will be imported. Rest won't show up in the classes tab, in the classes list. All right, so I think I have covered up all the steps, but in case if you think that you have any questions, then please let me know. Thank you.